Okay, now this is the installation, the final installation for the core wheels, since they're a little different. Again, turn them over and you'll notice we have the same kind of clips, same locations. You have to remove this ring. This is called a retaining ring. The retaining ring exerts pressure outward, so when you snap the center in, it stays in place. So the center of the wheel is here. This is going to be inserted in there. So be sure you remove the ring by squeezing it and lifting it up and installing it here in the RPM Cybertruck wheel ring, and it goes on the top level. So again, we have a post here, 4 posts, and this is where you put the open split ring. Put it like this, push down, and that's it. It's right installed, and this little bit of difference is really going to help it stay secure so it doesn't fall off. All right, next we're going to show you how to remove it, install it, remove it, back and forth. Here we go. So Cybertruck owners, our carbon fiber center hubs are great. Everyone loves them. We never made an installation or removal video in our original demo video showing how to remove the all-season hubcaps. Now obviously you're going to have to take them off when you want to rotate your wheels, or if you have to add tire pressure. So we suggest you do it this way. These were designed not to be removed easily. We don't want them stolen. So we made it very tight fitment. But if you use a plastic tool and you put it underneath one of the spokes, okay, we've got 7 spokes, and put this plastic piece under the spoke so it won't scratch. Just put your fingers under it and pull up gently, That's it. I just loosened and removed the clip. You can probably look underneath there and see it. And then you move to the right or the left and get the next one. Same thing, just hands underneath, fingers and pressure right in line with the spokes. Pop it up, and you'll see once you get a few more of them, the whole thing will just release. Now you might have to go around and go straight behind them, but you'll see they come off very easily. Now reinstalling, same thing, add your tire pressure, rotate your wheels front to back, line it up on top, and push down on one spoke at a time. Just like that. Of course, it grabs several of them. Go to the other side with pressure in the middle. And this thing is locked in place. Thanks again for watching. And don't worry, the next time you want to take it off, it's easy. You know how to do it. Just go to the spoke, pry it up, and take them off one at a time. Thanks again for watching. It's RPM Tesla.